Hello everybody, today it was a beautiful day. I was outside, oh, I was so happy. Beautiful day. Tonight we gotta make ricotta donuts. And I got the recipe, every month we do one recipe. And I got it right over here in the calendar, ricotta donuts. And we make tonight. I got all the ingredients over here on my table. And we got egg, flour, ricotta, baking powder, rum, sugar. I need just lemon. And I got over here the powdered sugar. And I got my homemade limoncello, okay, goes so good with the ricotta donuts. Now, we gotta start with egg. No mare, facciamo amore. And look how beautiful egg, the color. And I got over here the sugar. So marinare e tirarezza. And I got over here the ricotta. Okay, the ricotta is ready. Okay, good. E cavolo. And now we mix the ricotta really, really good. I got the rum. I got a baking powder. Okay, now, before we start, that's okay. I'm not got no wine, but let me see my limoncello. Look at beautiful color, my limoncello. Salute chin chin, and thank you so much for your support and for the start. Salute, chin chin, drink limoncello with me se somebody got limoncello. Salute. Oh. Facciamo amore. Okay, now I got the lemon. It give a really good taste for the ricotta donuts. And I want to put the zest lemon. Okay. Okay, good. All right, now we give more mix. Now we got the flour. Now the flour, I got 1 cup of flour, but you gotta see by yourself, okay? You don't gotta be not too thick and not too liquid. And we start with the flour, a little bit at a time, and we see. Sentimento. Now we gotta watch, okay? The no pour. Okay, you don't gotta be really, really thick. Little more flour. Yes, cuore. Listen along.
It smells so good.
Little bit more.
with the lemon zest.
Yes. It's the little rum. Now, another thing I want to say, the rum. I put a rum because I don't got no kids home. It's for me and my wife. But if you got kids, please, no use rum. You use a plain. But if you don't got no kids, got to eat, you can use rum, see you like. See you don't like. It's okay, no use. I think it's all. Got a little flour left over. It's enough. Now we clean up this.
Yeah, Tony, we received your package. Thank you very much. We didn't have chance to respond it yet. We will try soon and let you know.
Yeah, thank you very much. Okay. All right, let me see.
Thank you, Brian.
Okay, thank you. It's really, really good. All right, now we go on the stove. Okay? Now I got the oil over here, and let me see so the temperature for me is good for fry this. I gotta raise a little bit of the oil. It gotta be a little bit more hot. At the time it be a little bit more hot. Salute cincin everybody, and thank you very much for the start. Salute. A little bit more.
Yeah, you can use vanilla extract, yes.
A little bit. I want to make sure that my steak boil. Okay, see start the bubble.
Yeah, the glass is chilled from the freezer.
Oh, still not ready, eh? Okay, let me take the new stick. Because one time the stick is gone oil. Okay, it's ready. Okay. Come on. Oh, solo mia. Okay. Good. All right, now I got the spoon and this.
It's peanut oil
It's
we're
a peanut
using.
oil. Now we load the gas a little bit. I use this and I pour oil like this, che when I pick up the ricotta over here, it not stick together. All right, I got the spoon of the how to make it. And I put it right over here.
Look, don't make too crowded, Pascal.
Okay, now once in a while, make sure to turn this, okay? And I use this stick like this. You can stay far away, you know, never know, the oil, it's really dangerous, okay? You can burn yourself. Tu sola, più belle ne. Da-da-da-da. Look how beautiful it look. Nice. Those, t'ha già voluta bene a te. You gotta give it nice color.
You need to use oil that have a high point, smoke point.
It look good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, they're good. Okay. I put in a paper towel. Okay, you got a little oil.
So the other one we can cook after.
Okay, the other one I make after. You got a couple of more, but I want to show you this one. Okay, what I need now need a little limoncello. Now, use and look at this. Okay. Take one for me. Yeah, I want to taste it. Now it's really hot. Ooh. Ooh. Look at this. It's really, really delicious. It tastes really, really good. Salute Cincin everybody. Thank you very much for your support and thank you so much for the stuff. Salute Cincin.
This is limoncello he made himself. We have recipe posted also on a
Really, really good. Okay, thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for the stuff. Salute Cincin everybody. You have a nice day. Salute. Drink with me. A salute.